Today I'm going to show you how to bend shadows here in Photoshop, and also I'm going to show you how to make the shadows really smooth like this. So let's do this. Select the type tool. I'm going to go with the letter N, press Ctrl T, press and hold Alt to scale it up. I'm also going to recolor it, click OK. Let's go here and double click on the text. I'm going to activate the drop shadow. The opacity is going to be on 23-ish, pretty low, and it's going to be on a darker gray. Try to decrease the distance, so it's going to look something like this. And also the size is less smooth like this. And I'm gonna go to the drop shadow here, click on the plus, so we're gonna add another one. And I'm gonna select this bottom drop shadow, and here we're gonna modify it even more. I'm gonna increase the distance. By the way, here the distance, you can see the angle is on 41. So I increase the distance. I also gonna increase the size, and I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna click on the plus, and I'm gonna go to the bottom shadow. I'm gonna increase the distance, something like this, and the size as well, make it really nice and smooth. I gotta go to the top one, maybe increase the opacity a little bit, click OK. So far it looks something like this. Now let's go to the effects icon here, right click on it, and let's go down and click on create layers. So this is going to separate the drop shadows in separate layers, as you can see. So if I uncheck the top typo, you're gonna see only the shadow layers. Now we're gonna need to put all these shadow layers into a smart object and then transform it, but then we're gonna lose this small bounding box, and basically we're gonna have a huge bounding box like this page. So what we're gonna do is double click on the first drop shadow layer. Now let's go and check the transparency shapes layer, click OK, and do the same thing with the rest of it. Great, now press and hold Shift, select all three layers, right click, click on Convert to Smart Object. I'm also going to go and activate the top text. Make sure you're on the layer with the shadow. Press Ctrl T. Let's go to the warp button, click on it. And here we can choose a custom warp. So I'm gonna go with the arc. As you can see, it is arcing it from down to up, or you can switch it like this. But we want it horizontally, so you can switch it up with this button here. And I'm gonna push it to the right a little bit. And now I can put it somewhere here. I also want to bend the text on the top. So I'm going to select the typo, right click, convert to smart object, press Ctrl T, click on the warp. Now let's go to warp settings and select the arc, switch it. I'm gonna distort it just a little bit, and I'm gonna uncheck the warp, press and hold Ctrl, and I'm also gonna push it to the right, also press Shift, and I'm gonna reposition it, and it's gonna look something like this. And this is how I make this a really cool rounded shadow effect here in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.